Hi YouTube, I am back with another unboxing video, and this time I have a wireless rechargeable Bluetooth headphone earphone. Let's have a look. This is the overview of the box, and the brand name is Acid Eye, and the rendered image is clearly mentioned above the box. And these are some specifications. Another rendered image, true wireless, so free. So guys, see, these are some other specifications mentioned on the back side of the box. Have a look. Features, pairing steps, and function. If you want, you can just pause the video and read them out. In this video, I am going to explain how to pair these devices and what are the functions. So, without any further delay, let's just open the box. It has a warranty card, the charging dock. Whoa, it looks like a magnetic tank, really solid, and a pair of earbuds. This goes inside this for charging, and it has a magnetic grip that holds it firmly. So other than this box contains extra earbuds, charging cable, and a carry pouch, plus a user manual. So let's just look at the carry pouch and its case, whether it fits in it or not. See, it is easy to handle. So guys, I have a power bank, so let's see how to charge this device. So as you can clearly see, the blue light is blinking. This means it is charging. So now let me pair this device. Press both the buttons simultaneously. So you can see this light indicates that this device is ready to pair. Connected. Please see the audio quality of this device. So guys, if you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.